Eating walnuts every day can have several positive effects on your body due to their nutritional content, but it's essential to consume them in moderation, as they are calorie-dense. Here's what happens in your body when you incorporate walnuts into your daily diet. Nutrient intake. Walnuts are a good source of various essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, protein, fiber, vitamins such as vitamin E and B vitamins, minerals like magnesium, copper, and manganese, and antioxidants. Consuming them regularly can help ensure you get these nutrients in your diet. Heart health. Walnuts are known for their heart-healthy properties. They contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that may help reduce the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption can help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels and improve overall cardiovascular health. Brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, found in walnuts, are beneficial for brain health and cognitive function. Including walnuts in your diet may support memory and mental acuity. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, walnuts can be a helpful part of a weight management plan. Their fiber and protein content can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Antioxidant protection. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which can help protect your cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Improve gut health. The fiber in walnuts can aid in digestion and support a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that consuming walnuts may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a good choice for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Reduced inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in walnuts may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with various chronic diseases. Skin health. The nutrients in walnuts, including vitamin E, can contribute to healthier skin by protecting it from damage caused by UV radiation and promoting skin elasticity. Improved mood. Omega-3 fatty acids may have a positive impact on mood and can potentially help reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. It's important to note that while walnuts offer numerous health benefits, they are calorie-dense. Overconsumption may lead to weight gain, so it's crucial to include them as part of a balanced diet. Eating a handful of walnuts, about 1 ounce or 28 grams, per day is a reasonable and healthy way to enjoy their benefits without excessive calorie intake. If you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional